to be doing some unboxing with toys we got from a few days ago, I guess. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so as you saw in the intro, we're going to be doing some unboxing, and you already know we have these super duper cool fans. Just go like, oh yeah, you can show yours. They're really cool. They're really fans like this. Really cool. There's also another way you can just go out like that. It's really cool. If you're thinking of any other ideas, we just went with the fan one. Wow. Wow. That's what I was thinking, but she didn't like it, so we didn't do it. Okay, but yeah, so this is that, and that is hers. So let's start unboxing. First off, I'm going to be unboxing this Batman. No, it's not a Batman. It's a Robin dressed up as a Batman. If you haven't watched Teen Titans Go, there's Starfire, Beast Boy, and they're all dressed up as these ones. There's Cyborg, Raven. So Robin as Batman, Raven as Wonder Woman, Starfire as the Flash, Beast Boy as Martian Hunter, Cyborg as Green Lantern. And I got the Robin, that's Batman, dressed up as Batman. Okay, so I'm going to unbox this and do it. Okay. Okay. Here he is. Look at him. He's so cute. So little, big head. Move the head around. Wobble. No.
No, it's not a pop.
And can he move his arms, legs?
It's a pop.
Nope. Just the head. And as you can, it's a pop and it's television.
And throw everything out. Nobody needs that.
Nobody needs that.
Wait, this is in my area.
Okay. And here he is. So we'll just showcase all of them at the end. Okay, now your turn.
I'm just going to start from the top and go to the bottom. I got an I Spy book it was an early birthday present, and it's just a book.
So yeah, that's mostly all to say.
Yeah. If you haven't seen these books, there's a bunch of I Spy.
Yeah. That's my con.
So I thought that was pretty cool.
So I got this thing a while back ago. It was a while back. I ordered it online because it was cheaper online, and I actually unboxed it already. I built this thing. This thing does not go with it. I got it from my friend Ben's house, and I just liked it because it looked like you could just climb it up.
He did not order it. Our mom ordered it.
Yes. Okay. So that's that. So Reagan, your turn.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, I got another book. It's actually really good. And
by the way, we're saving the best for last.
Yeah. It is a really good book. It is The Tale of Desperax. I don't know. But he's a little rat. And it's a really cool book.
Okay. Now, I also got the Gidget from The Secret Life of Pets.
Oh, I'm excited to see what it does. Like, because we only saw it in the box do it.
Yeah, so now let's unbox it.
Really?
Oh, it's a... You
have to get it off her tail.
Oh my goodness, that is so annoying. How could anybody live with doing that? What else is around her now?
Look under.
Nothing. It's nothing. Oh my goodness.
You're supposed to rip it.
I am. Darn.
Oh, you're so funny.
Wow. I'm ripping apart something.
She's like, oh, you're so sweet.
That was so idiotic. I don't even know what idiotic means.
I do.
What does it mean?
It means they got it. Wait, show them Gidget. Show them what she looked. She's hanging.
Yes.
And she was just like, oh, you're so sweet.
I am sweet. While I'm doing this, Reagan, you show them yours.
Oh. Wait. Okay, so I got this Lego bucket. I really unboxed this earlier, a couple days ago, and I just threw all of the Legos in there. So, yeah, those were some pieces from, I got some other pieces from one of my friends. And so this is just a big bucket of Legos. My mom ordered it off of online because it was much cheaper. And yeah, you can build whatever you want. There are instructions for a couple of these, but I didn't care about those instructions. So yeah, I just went all blank. No instructions.
Oh my gosh, God!
You guys really, if you were me, you would be watching him rip her apart. Well, not rip her, but rip it all apart. I think you might need some scissors. And there's some right over here.
I'm stupid, okay. This is not the first time I've said it.
Ow! You guys, if you guys didn't see that, he just twisted the scissors and it went plunk.
I didn't get my eye.
Yeah, he didn't get his eye.
Oh my goodness.
He's like, ah, I'm so mad, and then he's like concentrating.
I'm concentrating now.
Now rip her.
I'm done.
It's stuck in her butt. Show him. It's stuck in her butt. I know how to get it out. You pull one.
I'm so lucky I found you.
We're pulling something out of her butt, and she's like, I'm sure. Like, yeah, thank you.
Put her like right there.
Finally, that took forever, but we finally got her out. We can twist her head, I think, so.
Someone's
press-
here.
Cool.
Any plans today?
And then she walks.
I'm gonna test it right here. Okay.
I am so lucky I found you.
Oh my goodness. That's
All
funny.
right, my turn.
Your turn.
So, I got these things for our cat. There are two little mouse, and I got them for our cat because the first one we got, they chewed up.
May I?
No,
I'm gonna take it right.
it's my box.
Nothing.
Come on. Go. We're dirty right now,
Dirty. I'm just gonna show them mine.
but I'm already done.
Oh, fine. I got a Shopkin from that pizza place. I want it in one of those prize thingamabobbers, those thingies.
And yes, it is from that pizza place. That's what it's called.
Yes.
Here's the two little rats. If you can probably pull the rat. So here, show them. Can you show them? You can just pull them, and you just pull them, and it's really
It's
cool.
so stretchy.
Yeah, so you can like drag them around, and they'll be like. So I hope they don't chew them around. And if you haven't seen, I'm guessing this one should be for Pumpkin because it's kind of orange, and this one should be for Bobby, even though it's white. It's still good.
Okay? I'm gonna show you my Minecraft things. I got this one a while back and I ordered it because I saw it at Walmart and it was cheaper online.
We're not gonna unbox that
It's the dungeon.
because we're not gonna.
Might be building it in a different episode, maybe.
Different.
And it's time for the farm. The farm thingy-mabobber, the farm. I got the
I look
farm.
so weird when I do that.
And also, what is this one called? I never checked. The First Night. And it has a house, and I really wanted a house.
Yeah.
Finally got what I wished. Your turn.
Well, should I show all of them or just these?
All of them.
Okay. So all of these two?
Yes.
All right. So first, when I went to that pizza place, I got from out of the machines, and I got Wonder Woman with the strings, and I got Robin with the string, and Aquaman. Whee! And then just earlier today, when we went to Toys R U, and then after that we went to a different place. I got erasers, and here's its eggshell, and they pop out, and they're little chips. They're so cute. There's yellow and pink, and then I got a penguin eraser, whatever that is eraser, and a dolphin eraser. So yeah, I was excited to get those.
Keep going. I have one more thing to show. It's the best one out of all of them. All of them. Oh, I think so.
Well, I got Legos.
Legos.
And I just wanna, yeah, that's really. And then put him down. Oh, I found Doggy. Doggy. All right, I have 3 more things till my last one. I got new glasses. My mom
I
bought
got
them for me.
glasses too.
Yeah, he has glasses. I told him I was gonna get my glasses, and apparently I don't think he listens.
They're blue.
I got a new notebook, and he has googly eyes, and he's playing baseball, which I love baseball. And then earlier today at Toys R Us, my mom got me this Lego platform, and I love it because you can build anything on it. It's really exciting.
Okay, now let's show our best thing.
Do we show it at the same time?
Yeah, at the same time.
So this
Is our best thing.
remote control car.
And a little bit of a gun. And I can make it look like a chainsaw and something like that.
Yeah.
But I put this together. I only have 4 packs. I might be getting new packs. I already lost a bullet. And I just got it today.
But anyways, I got this. That's where the battery goes in. And here's the remote controller.
We're gonna drive it around in a different episode.
Yeah, because it's going to take a long time
Yeah.
to charge. The battery has to charge that goes in here. There's a
Okay.
battery that charges. That's weird.
Now so this is my Shopkin. So we're gonna showcase my things.
I'm not.
This is my Shopkin. My glasses.
Show them the back.
My Robin. Oh, the back of them. Yeah, and the inside they're like that.
I'm going to put my stuff away, okay?
Gadgets. Anax. And this plain thingy-mabobber. And all my Minecraft stuff. The house, the dungeon, the farm, whatever it's called. And this. And that's all my showcasing stuff. And I don't think Reagan's going to showcase hers. No. But yeah, so anyways, guys, that was the end of that episode. So I'll see you guys in the next one.
I'm not done. I forgot one.
Oh, you forgot one. Oh,
Well, my neighbor Ben, he said that I could have this little kangaroo.
yeah. And the episode. So that is the end of this episode. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.